does that mean? I was like, if you don't know, I'm not going to tell you. Hey, babe, good boy.
Alright, we have thousands of wildebeest up here. And they're all meeting these guys coming from all over. And we're hoping they're going to hit the crossing. So, sorry for... Shit! Oh!
Something spooked him, man, then they went running. More of them went running back forward.
Rob, this is the money coming up on the right. No way.
They're crossing.
I'm getting it. Excuse me.
Hold on, no, Breakout's got it. Breakout's got it.
All right. This is our third crossing. Let's go. Oh, wow. This is going to be a big one.
Yeah. We're going down there now.
That's hilarious.